Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing DJI Osmo Pocket 3 app no video playback issue, a comprehensive guide. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a fantastic tool for capturing high-quality video on the go. However, a common frustration among users is encountering the no video playback issue within the DJI Mimo app, or other compatible apps, when trying to view footage transferred from the Pocket 3 to their mobile device. This guide will provide a detailed breakdown of potential causes and solutions, ranging from simple fixes to more technical troubleshooting steps. Understanding the problem and common causes. Before diving into solutions, it's crucial to understand why this issue might occur. Here are some common reasons. File corruption. The video file itself might be corrupted during recording, transfer, or storage. This is the most common culprit. Codec incompatibility. The video codec used by the Osmo Pocket 3, typically H.264 or H.265/HEVC, may not be fully supported by your mobile device's operating system or the media player within the DJI Mimo app. HEVC, in particular, can be problematic. Transfer errors. Issues during the file transfer process, Wi-Fi,